have our cousin here, Isaac. Oh. Let's open this chocolate. Let's sorry. I can't open it. I wash my teeth now. Here. Can you open mine? Wait, let me see. Can you open it? Yes. Why is it so hot? They're mine. They're mine. I got an eraser. I got this. There's erasers.
You guys need to explain everything you got, remember?
I got an eraser. Yeah. Oh, stickers. These are not stickers, I do. Wait, are they? No, they're not stickers. They're not. So I got orange bird. I got orange bird too. What you got? I got this. You got bluebird. So this is like our collector's guide. Our collector's guide. So do you have more in your hat? No. Wait. No. Do you have more in the hat? No.
What else, Miggy?
Do you have more in the hat? You got eraser. Do you have more in the hat?
That's it, bud.
That's it, because look, he's wearing the hat. Why would it be something else?
You gonna talk about the chocolate and the treats?
No, there's white chocolate and milk chocolate. Hey, what's your name?
Is that all for today, folks?
That's all for today.
Say it, Miggy.
Bye.
Bye.